everyone. So today we are going to start a session that is related to a most frequently asked topic, that is comprehension. And yes, আমি questions ইয়াৰ comprehensionৰ ওপৰত পায়ে থাকো. So without any delay, আমি কিছুমান questions practice কৰিম in details comprehensionৰ ওপৰত চাম. ইমান broader নহয় টপিকটো, আমি just তাৰ basic steps খিনি জানিব লাগে, কেনেকে এটা reading এটা passage দিব, সেই passageটো কেনেকে আমি in simplified way আমি ভালকে বুজি পাই questions কিছুমান দিব passage to related, সেই questions খিনি আমি যেটা solve কৰিব লাগে. So yes, let's start. Okay, so what is comprehension? It is the ability to understand something fully, whether it's a text, it's a situation, or information. It involves grasping the meaning of words and concepts, processing information, and making sense of it. So comprehension basically এটা ডাঙৰ passage দিয়া থাকিব, paragraph wise 2, 3, 4 paragraph তেনেকে comprehensionৰ length to থাকিব, and ইয়াত এই passageটোৰ যেটা length to কিমান থাকিব তাৰ বেসিছত কিছুমান questions frame কৰি দিয়া যাব. So আমি হে তাৰ passageটো যিখিনি দিয়া আছে আইডিয়াটোৰ ওপৰত আমি ভালকে চাই আমি ভালকৈ বুজি আমি হে questions খিনি solve কৰিব লাগিব. Next, what are the steps to follow? Okay, so first step is read the passage fairly, quickly to get the general idea. First, we need to know the idea. Then second, read again a little slowly so as to know the details. First, ebar go through kori lobo lage, then next reading on ami ki koribo lagibo, ami step by step bhalkoi ami gote steps khini buji jabo lagibo. Ami main idea to পৰা আতৰ হৈ যাব না লাগিব, and details যিখিনি details দিয়া আছে তাৰ ওপৰত জানিব লাগিব. Study the questions thoroughly, turn to the relevant portions of the passage, read them again, and then rewrite them in your own words. So ইয়াত কি হ'ব তোমাৰ questions খিনি যিখিনি দিয়া থাকিব সেইখিনি আমি questions খিনি thoroughly চাব লাগিব কৈছে, and যিখিনি মানে relevant answer দিয়া আছে passageটোত তাত আমি গুৰুত্ব দিব লাগিব. Use complete sentences. So ইয়াত মানে কি হৈছে, ইয়াত mainly এটা comprehensionত যেতিয়া এটা মানে passage দিয়া থাকিব তাত বহুত details থাকিব, numerous details. So গুটেখিনি go through কৰি আমি questions খিনি clearly কে চাব লাগিব. If you are asked to give the meaning of any words or phrases, you should express the idea as clearly as possible in your own words. Certain words require the kind of definition that is given in a dictionary. Take care to frame the definition in conformity with the part of speech. So কিছুমান এনেকুৱা কোৱেশ্চনো ফুৰে যত মানে মিনিংটো ফুৰে, গুটে এই প্যাসেজটো কি ক'ব বিচাৰিছে তাৰ এটা ইন শৰ্ট এটা মিনিং ফুৰে. তো কোৱেশ্চনটোত আমি চাব লাগিব কিহৰ ওপৰত ফুৰিছে and passage to কিহৰ ওপৰত আছে, তাৰ পৰা আইডিয়াটো লৈ আমি বুজি সেই মিনিংটোত আমি মানে গম পাম যে একচুয়ালি প্যাসেজটো মানে কি মিন কৰিছে. ঠিক আছে, সো আমি এটা ফার্স্ট কোয়েশ্চন চাও হক. ইয়াত কৈছে যে read the following passage carefully and answer the following questions. এটো APSC 2023 ত আহা কোয়েশ্চন পেপার হয়, CSET-ৰ কোয়েশ্চন হয় এটো. সো ওকে চাও হক. Make in India campaign was launched in New Delhi by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 25th of September 2014. Yet ki koise Make in India campaign or kotha koise, ketia launch korile koise, kot launch korile, and kune and kuntu dateot yet pura mention korise. Next koise je it is an initiative to make a call to the top business investors all across the world, like national or international, to invest in India. So yet is a initiative to kihor karone loise hetu bujaise. Next question is it is a big opportunity to all the investors to set up their business in any field in the country, and this plan has very attractive proposals for foreign companies to set up manufacturing powerhouses in India. So etu plan kihor karone kaam hobo koise je etu koise je ei plan to karone ki hobo etu bahut attractive hobo kar karone foreign companies er karone jate manufacturing powerhouse amar yat India bahabo paribo. Make in India campaign launched by the Indian government focuses on building the effective physical infrastructure as well as improving the market of digital network in the country to make it a global hub. So etu ta dangor initiative loise jot infrastructure development hobo, after that global hub hobo business or karone koise, and ranging from satellites to submarines, cars to software, pharmaceuticals to ports, paper to power. Code mane business or khetrot mane make in India initiative lole code amar mane bhal hobo, improve hobo sector khini yat mention kori dise. The symbol derived from national emblem of India of this initiative. It is a giant lion having many wheels indicating peaceful progress, a vibrant future, courage, strength, tenacity, and wisdom. So, yet overall Make in India step lole initiative tur pra ki hobo, code amar improvement hobo, sob sectors opar dhoi loi hokolobor mention kori dise in the first paragraph. Next paragraph to ki koise, this campaign mainly focuses on creating a number of valuable and honored jobs as well as skill enhancement in almost 25 sectors for improving the status of youth of the country. The sectors involved are automobiles, chemical, IT, BPM, aviation, pharmaceuticals, construction, electrical machinery, food processing, defense manufacturing, space, textile, garment, ports, etc. etc. Yet sub mention kori dise sectors bor. Yet koise je renewable energy kotha mention korise, mining and thermal power kotha koise. So overall sectors or kotha yat mention kori dise. Next koise, the successful implementation of this plan will help in the creation of 100 smart city projects. Etu plan implement korile ki hobo koise, 100 smart city projects create koribo paribo, and affordable housing in India. The main objective koise jikono eta topic ot ki hoi jay, first tar main eta idea thake, main eta objective thake, main purpose thake. So main objective to yet mention korise to ensure solid growth and valuable employment creation in the country. The government of India has created a dedicated help team and an online portal, makeinindia.com, for the easy and effective communication of investors. So last ki koise amar main objective or kotha koise, tar pora ta online portal hobo koise, and it online portal through ki ho jabo, easy and effective communication or karone helpful hobo for the investors. So yat overall ami ki gom palu, Make in India campaign or kotha koise in details, everything step by step ami yat ki dise gom palu. First paragraph, then second paragraph overall sectors opor mention korise, kihot focus koribo campaign to, then last third paragraph ki koise yat main objective or kotha mention korise, and tar pora koise je kuntu portal to ahi gole ki hoi jabo, eta easy aru efficient way ami communicate koribo parim koise. Yet ahile eta question, what is the main objective of the Make in India campaign? Main objective to ki ase koise. First koise the main objective is to ensure growth and valuable employment creation in the country with the help of top investors. Second koise the main objective is to ensure solid growth and valuable employment creation in the country with the help of top investors. Yet ami sabo laibo the difference to, thik ase, yat koise to ensure growth and valuable employment. ইয়াতো কৈছে to ensure growth and valuable employment, but yet solid growth কৈছে, ঠিক আছে। ইয়াত same কৈছে with the help of top investors, ইয়াতো কৈছে with the help of top investors. Then third to কৈছে the main objective is to ensure solid growth and valuable employment creation in the country with the help of investors. Okay, and fourth to কৈছে যে to ensure solid growth and valuable employment with the help of foreign investors. আমি এটা কি কৰিব লাগিব, ইয়াত অবজেক্টিভটো মেনশন কৰিছিলে, ইয়াতে চাওক, ইয়াত এইটো মেইন অবজেক্টিভ কৈছিলে মেক ইন ইণ্ডিয়া কেম্পিঙৰ। চ' ইয়াত কৈছে যে টু এনচিয়ৰ চলিড গ্ৰথ এণ্ড ভেলুৱেবল এমপ্লয়মেণ্ট ক্ৰিয়েশ্যন ইন দ্য কাণ্ট্ৰি কৈছিলে। অ'কে, চ' ইয়াত কি হৈ যাব, so yet ki hoy jabo to ensure solid growth and valuable employment in the country, etu correct hobo, but with the help of foreign investors kyo, karon ama koise je ama okol with the help of foreign investors no hobo no, ama koise make in India initiative to lole amar ta main objective to koisle je top investors or logot ami work korim। so etu hoise option B to hoise the correct answer of this question. Next question is ahok, an outcome of the Make in India campaign is, Make in India campaign tour pra outcome ki hobo pare koise। so outcome Make in India campaign, yet first option to koise je manufacturing hubs in neighboring countries, second koise to focus only on digitalization, third koise creation of smart cities in India, and fourth question to lay down strict and rigid guidelines to start a business. So ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি কি অকল ম্যানুফ্যাকচাৰিং হাবছৰ কথা কৈছিলে নেকি নেইবাৰিং কান্ট্ৰিজৰ লগত, নো, ইয়াত কৈছিলে নেকি টু লে ডাউন ষ্ট্ৰিক্ট এণ্ড ৰিজিড গাইডলাইনছৰ কথা মেনশ্যন কৰিছিলে নেকি, নো, কাৰণ আমাৰ পেছেজটোত এইখিনিৰ ওপৰত মেনশ্যন কৰা নাই। আমাৰ পেছেজটোত কি কৈছিলে যে মানে সকলোবোৰ ইনক্লুড আছে কৈছিলে, এণ্ড লগতে কি কৈছিলে যে স্মাৰ্ট চিটি ক্ৰিয়েট হ'ব কৈছিলে। অ'কে, ইয়াতে আছিলে স্মাৰ্ট চিটি ক্ৰিয়েট হোৱাৰ কথাটো আছিলে, য়েছ 100 স্মাৰ্ট চিটিজ ক্ৰিয়েশ্যনৰ কথা কৈছিলে। চ' য়েছ, ইয়াত কি হৈ গ'ল, ক্ৰিয়েশ্যন অফ স্মাৰ্ট চিটিজ ইন ইণ্ডিয়া, দিছ ইজ দ্য কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰ। অ'কে, এতিয়া আমি চাওঁ এটা নেক্সট পেছেজ লৈ আহিছোঁ, এইটোৰ ওপৰতো আমি চাম। আমি বেচিকেলি কি কৰিব লাগে, ফাৰ্ষ্ট আমি পেছেজটো গ' থ্ৰু কৰিব লাগে, সেইটো সদায় মনত ৰাখিব। দেন আমি তাৰ মেইন আইডিয়াছখিনি উলিয়াই ল'ব লাগে, এণ্ড তাৰপাছত কি হৈ যায়, যেনেকুৱা টাইপ অফ কুৱেশ্যনে ফ্ৰেম নকৰক কিয় আমি মেইন আইডিয়াটো গম পালে তেতিয়া সেই তাৰ এনচাৰটো আমি অতি সোনকালে উলিয়াব পাৰোঁ। ৰিড দ্য ফলোইং পেছেজ কেয়াৰফুলি এণ্ড এনচাৰ কুৱেশ্যনছ। Since almost the beginning of cinema, we have had scary films of all the genres that exist. Horror is perhaps one of the most conventional. Many horror films rely on specific plot devices, also called tropes, to make their audience. So yat ami pohi ki gom paisu. First ekita line pohiye gom paisu je yat mainly horror films কথা কৈছে, ঠিক আছে। horror films scary হয়, এইবোৰৰ ওপৰত কৈছে। many horror films rely on specific plot devices কৈছে, and devices নাম দি দিছে ইয়াত, to make their audience frightened. so audience খিনিয়ে মানে ভয় খাবৰ কাৰণে তাহাঁতি কিছুমান ডিভাইচ ইউজ কৰে গৈছে। many horror when a trope is used too much, it can become a cliche, but when used well, it can really make us jump out of our skin. Here are some of the most used and perhaps abused cliches in horror films. So ইয়াত এটা ক'ব যে horror filmsত মানে কি কি হয়, horror filmsবিলাক আমি দেখিলে কি গম পাওঁ যে জেনেৰেলি বেছমেণ্ট এৰিয়াত বেছি মানে হেৰি হয়, ভয় কৰা জেগাটো হয়, এণ্ড তাত মানুহবোৰ গ'লে ভয় কৰে, সেই বেছমেণ্ট এৰিয়াবোৰ ডাৰ্ক থাকে, তাৰ ওপৰত ইয়াত ডিটেইলছ মেনশ্যন কৰিব। No matter what kind of house it is, the basement is scary place in horror films. That's usually where something is hiding or where the evil psychopath has hidden their tools. So basements are always dark and are often damp. You can only reach them by a narrow staircase. So আমি ইমেজিন কৰিব পাৰিছো যে হৰৰ ফিল্মছত কি হয়, আমি বেসমেন্ট এৰিয়াত যাওঁতে এটা নেৰো staircase থাকে, তাৰ থ্ৰু আমি যাব পাৰো কৈছে, and basement are always creepy even when there isn't anything down there. তাত একো নাথাকিলেও মানে বহুত ভয় লগা হয় দেখিবলৈ কৈছে. In all older horror films, when protagonists were in desperation, it was difficult or impossible for them to call for the help or call the police. Mobile phones have made that situation a bit less believable now. What's the solution to maintain suspense? No phone coverage. So hetu samoyt phone connectivity bon hoi jay. If you are a hero in a horror film, it's almost certain that at a key moment, just when you absolutely need to call for help, you will not have any coverage at all, or your phone battery will die just as you are making the call, or both. So yat koise je horror film basically ki hoy, he scary place tut gole mane tat phone connectivity naikia hoy jay, yar upor details dise. Then directors of horror films love uninhabited places. This could be an abandoned hospital. It is hospital hoy, okay? A scary empty house or a ghost town. So director bure kenuka kisuman mane horror films ot enuka jaga dekhai je jot mane eta abandoned place thake, eta scary house thake, mane abandoned hoy pori ase eta building, tate mane bhut ulai enuka dekhai, thik ase. There's something about lonely empty places. What was it like when people lived there? Why did they leave? Maybe it's also that they are so quiet, which can be very scary too. Of course, abandoned places are also handy for horror film directors in that it's more believable that you will have no phone coverage there either. So he teoluke ki kore je ekhon film banabole mane eneke eta abandoned area teoluke dekhayo and teoluke bisareo, thik ase. The hero has been driving for hours. It's night time and it's beginning to rain. Suddenly he sees a person on the side of the road. Maybe the company will keep him awake. In horror films, giving anybody a ride is asking for trouble. The hero always does it and it always ends badly. So yet horror film khonor mane hero jonor upot mention korise, thik ase. This horror film cliche was especially popular with horror films of the late 20th century. It starts with a group of teenagers all enjoying themselves. So yet basically etu paragraph koise je mane eta teenager group opor arambho hobo koise, and tat ki hoi jabo koise, it ends with everyone dead except one girl. And then at the beginning the girl is usually innocent koise, shy and not particularly strong. By the end she has become the toughest and most resourceful person in the world koise. The last girl almost always wins in the game. So yat ekhon horror film opor details ot koise, thik ase. Yat eta question sao mi ahok. First question to question is, why do horror film directors find abandoned places handy? First option to this is abandoned places are very quiet, which greatly contributes to creating a spooky atmosphere. It is more believable that there will have no phone coverage in abandoned places. Yes, abandoned places are very quiet and which greatly contributes to creating a spooky atmosphere. then it is more possible that there will, so yet abandoned places or report koise, but koise je why do horror film directors find abandoned places? Hey, abandoned places black mane kyo teoluke bisare, teoluke kyo khuje je mane ei abandoned places ote mane heri edu ki buli koy movie black mane heri film black mane bonabo pari aru teoluke kyo ebur jega bahut mane useful buli bhabe. So here answer to hoise abandoned places are very quiet, which greatly contributes to creating a spooky atmosphere. ঠিক আছে? Next question to hoise horror film as a genre. So it first thought koise je it has rarely made into a cinematic expression. Second koise had become popular since the previous century. It has always been considered as a cinematic subject and has relied on scientific friction to nahoy. Okay, rarely made into a cinematic expression, rarely koise nahoy. Okay, it had become popular since the previous century. No, keneke hobo pare? After that, it has always been considered as a cinematic subject. Yes, etu cinematic subject hoy horror film to. ঠিক আছে? So etu eta hoise practice question যেটো frame kora hoise apnaloke practice koribo, try koribo jate questions to mane bhalke koribo pare. Prothomote ki koribo passage to bhalkoi pohi lobo, tar idea to jani lobo. After that, try to solve this question. There are 4 questions total. So ki koribo apnaloke jodi answers kobo mon goise tetia amar comment section ot apnaloke answer to mention kori dibo paribo. And also for evaluation purpose jodi apnaloke bicharise, then amar Telegram channel ot goi apnaloke tat mane apnalokor nijor papers tat evaluate koribo karone dibo paribo questions kini. We are there to evaluate it. And yes, আজি session to iman leki asile, and next ami ki korim কিছুমান practice question set লৈ আহিম, যেনেকে pressy writing হওক, drafting or questions হওক, comprehension or questions বা grammar তেনেকে আমি লৈ আহিম, স্পেশালি এতিয়া APSC JEE exam কাৰণে. আৰু যদি yes কিবা যদি problem আছে, please do contact us and please do subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.